I've got a real common problem. My remote control turns on. No problem. I can change channels. No problem. I can turn the volume down or turn it up. Works great. And the mute button works great. And the channel ID works fine. But one thing that doesn't work is this go back button, which I use all the time. It got worse and worse. Now I press it. Nothing. Sometimes I hold it down and after 10 or 20 seconds it'll switch. Well, let's take this apart, see what's wrong with it, and get her fixed. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. First thing I'm going to do is flip it over and remove the batteries. And in here is a little tiny screw. I don't know if this screwdriver will get it or not. I think what's happened to this, which is common with remote controls, people eat, they use their remote, and then stuff gets down in these buttons and messes up the contact point. And that button in question is right underneath here. So if I can't get that open, I could just spray some of this electronic cleaner. You can get this at any big box hardware store, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. Alright, picked up some other weapons to attack this here. Thought I might have cracked it, but I didn't. Trying to be careful. It just snaps in. I can see that already. It's like a snap fit along with the screw. So we're on our way here. And I'm trying not to go too far in there with my screwdriver. I'm just going along the edge. There we go. And you can see, here's the little clips. And I'm sure they just snap into this piece here. There we go. Yeehaw! There's a circuit board. And here's our problem one right here. This one right here is not working, or works very hard. And the contact for that looks like it's right here. Oh, here it says go back right on there. Oh yeah. Ha! I don't know if you can see that, but there's like grease on there. You can see my finger shining a little bit. So I'm going to clean this up. So I'm going to take a toothbrush, real soft bristles, and my electronic cleaner. And just clean this off. And this stuff evaporates real fast. And it's not supposed to damage electronics. And it'll take that schmutz off of there. That's nice and dry now. That grease, whatever that grease was, is gone. And I'm going to do the same thing with this pad. Try to get all that greasiness out of there. Especially, this is the button right here. I guess the moral of the story is try not to use your remote with dirty hands or while you're eating, but I know everybody does. Alright, our contacts should all be clean. Let's put it back together and see if it works. Alright, I got it all lined up. I'm going to push it back in place. Looks good, nice and clean. Oh, don't lose your little screw. And now the batteries. The negative side, the flat side, always goes against the spring. You just push them in. Everybody knows that. Okay, here we go. Power on. Channel up. Channel down. And now we'll try our go back button. Oh! Yeah! She's working beautiful. And that's how easy it is to fix a remote that has a problem with sticky buttons or buttons that don't respond. If this video was a help to you, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And I look forward to helping you with other projects online. Hoo-hoo-hoo! Boy, is it nice to have that fixed.